Today, I'm going to show you how people are using MidJourney to make money online in 2026. Because honestly, AI-generated content has become a massive opportunity, and a lot of people are already using tools like MidJourney for freelancing content, creation digital products, social media, and online businesses. But here's the things. Most beginners think you need to be a professional designer to start making money with AI, when honestly, you really don't. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the most popular ways people use MidJourney to make money online and how beginners can start step by step. First, what is MidJourney? MidJourney is an AI image generation platform. Basically, you type a text prompt and the AI creates images. From your description, people use it to create artwork, thumbnails, logos, social media content, wallpapers, book covers, product mockups, and much more. Now, the first way people make money with MidJourney selling digital products. This is one of the biggest opportunities right now. People create AI-generated wallpapers, prints, posters, phone backgrounds, templates, and digital art packs. Then they sell them online through marketplaces and digital stores. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip are extremely popular for this. And honestly, many creators are building full digital product businesses using AI-generated designs. Now, the second method, YouTube thumbnails. This is huge in 2026. A lot of creators want unique thumbnails that stand out, and MidJourney can generate cinematic backgrounds, custom characters, dramatic scenes, and highly detailed artwork for thumbnails. Many freelancers now offer thumbnail services using AI tools, especially on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork now. Another popular method, social media content creation. Businesses and creators constantly need content for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and ads. People use MidJourney to create aesthetic posts, branding visuals, AI influencers, motivational content, and marketing images. And honestly, brands are paying a lot for unique visual content right now. Now let's talk about print on demand, because this is another huge opportunity. People generate AI art, then place those designs on shirts, hoodies, posters, stickers, mugs, and phone cases. After that, they sell the products through print-on-demand platforms like Printify or Printful. And the best part, you usually do not need inventory because the platform prints and ships products automatically at now. Another way people make money selling prompt packs. This became surprisingly popular. Some creators sell collections of high-quality prompts for cinematic images, anime art, realistic portraits, branding, or social media content, especially because beginners often struggle with writing good prompts. Now, something important beginners should understand. MidJourney itself does not automatically make you money. You still need creativity, consistency, and a strategy because honestly, many people generate random images but never learn how to turn those images into an actual business. Now, another important thing, learn basic editing skills because many successful creators combine MidJourney with tools like Canva, Adobe Photoshop, or CapCut to improve images and create more professional content. And honestly, this can make a massive difference in quality. Now let's talk about consistency, because this is where most people fail. A lot of beginners generate a few images, do not make money immediately, and quit too early. But the creators actually succeeding with AI tools usually upload consistently, test different niches, improve their prompts, and slowly build audiences or clients over time. Now let's be honest for a second, AI-generated content is growing incredibly fast in 2026, and tools like MidJourney are changing how people create content online, which means there are still huge opportunities for beginners right now. So to wrap this up, if you want to use MidJourney to make money online, focus on things like digital products, YouTube thumbnails, social media, content, freelancing, print on demand, or AI design services. And most importantly, learn how to combine creativity with consistency. Because honestly, that's where the real money usually comes from.